Yes, ma'am.
So try that way.
Ma'am, I did x sin theta is equal to y cos theta and found the value of x in.
Okay. X sine cube theta. So you can write substitute. This is x into sine cube theta. No?
So ma'am, I took x as y cos theta by sin theta.
Okay, then finding the cubic term and then substitute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Not very difficult. Sine theta plus cos theta is equal to A, 26th one. Tan theta plus cos theta is equal to B, so that A square minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by B. Okay, fine. So here sine plus cos is equal to A, we have. So here tan theta plus cos theta is B. So write this as sine theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sine theta is equal to B. Simplify. Sine square theta plus cos square theta by sine theta cos theta is equal to B. This is 1 by sine theta cos theta is equal to B. So what is the value of sine theta cos theta? Take the reciprocal. Sine theta cos theta is equal to 1 by B. Now here take the square because we need here square. So we have to square this term. So sine theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to A square. Sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to A square. So this value is 1. Sine square plus cos square is 1 plus 2 into 1 by B is equal to A square. Could you understand this? So 2 into 1 by B is equal to A square minus 1. This 2 also goes other side as division. So 1 by B is equal to A square minus 1 by 2. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, I have done it in another way, ma'am.
Okay, how you solve?
Ma'am, I first solved LHS, then I solved RHS, and I proved it equal. Is that okay?
Okay, A square minus 1
Even
by
I
2
did that.
is 0. Okay, fine. It
Okay,
can be
ma'am.
done. No? Yes. Any other doubts anyone has?
Got the 23rd one.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Let's solve one more question and then we will start polynomials. Question number 2. Yeah, that I got. But this one question I've given you an exam also. 2 questions are there. You should remember those. Cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta plus sine theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Find theta. What's the value of theta in this? This was I've asked in board or this one also question of exam. How to solve? How you solve this?
Divide all the terms with cos.
Okay. So LHS only.
Yes, ma'am.
Further, then, yes, Erika?
And then you can write that tan theta is equal to root 3. Theta is equal to 60.
Good. And then, proving. This you have to prove. Try proving.
Can we take secant square common in the first two and cosecant common?
Okay. Further, what we can do?
Ma'am, you can take sec square theta as 1 plus tan square theta.
Okay. Cosec square as
1 plus cot square theta.
simplify and check now. Further, this is right. Then just open the bracket. 2 minus 1 is 1, minus minus, minus plus minus, tan square theta, minus 1 plus cot square theta into 2 minus 1 is 1, minus plus minus cot square theta. Now for the solve, how to multiply?
A
A
plus
plus
B
B.
into A.
Yes, right. So 1 square minus cot tan square theta and to the power 4 theta minus 1 square minus cot to the power 4 theta. And simplify.
Got it, ma'am.
Completed this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubts? Still any you have? You can ask me again.
Ma'am, the 12th and 13th one.
Why, Bhavish? Why so easy questions you're asking me?
Ma'am, I didn't know to do them, ma'am.
And how you are scoring marks in exam?
No, ma'am, like just little doubt I had.
These are the very easy questions.
Okay.
But much easier than what you have solved in exams.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try solving it.
Try solving.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you have solved many complicated questions than this.
Yes. Ma'am, I'll try solving this.
Ma'am,
Yes, Srijita?
I have one doubt in the NCRT question. You had given it in one test. I was not able to solve.
Yes.
I'll tell the question.
Yeah.
Cos A minus sin A
Cos A minus sin A
plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1.
is equal to
Cosec A plus cot A.
cosec A plus or cosec minus? Okay, fine. Got it.
Cosec A plus cot.
So here you need cosec and cot. So this kind of a question, so always this is familiar. You have to remember always that is in terms of cos, sine and 1, sec, tan and 1, cosec, cot and 1. So this kind of a questions are exactly similar to each other. So here cos and sine, for 1 if you write cos square plus sine square, you cannot factorize it. So you have to convert this into either tan and sec or cosec and cot. So here that is depends on RHS, what you need on RHS. So you need cosec and cot. So divide here, convert this equation for in terms of cosec and cot. To convert into cosec and cot with which you have to divide. Both numerator and denominator you have to divide with the same term, same ratio. So with which you will divide it?
Sine.
Sine. So divide it. Cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A divided by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Then this get converted into
Cot A.
cot A minus 1 plus cosec A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now combine these two, take minus 1 at the end. Denominator keep that as it is, no need to change anything in the denominator. Cosec A minus 1, 1 you can write as cosec square A minus cot square A. So here now you can factorize it. So therefore we have to convert into cosec and cot. So that is A square minus B square. You can factorize it as this is cot A plus cos A minus cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So take cot plus cosec common. Cot A plus cosec A into bracket. This is we have taken out. So what is left out? 1 minus this is cosec A and minus minus plus cot A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So this and this bracket is same, to get cancelled. What is left out? Cot A plus cosec A.
Okay, ma'am. Understood. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So this is everywhere. This tan and sec, you have solved the same question, no? Of tan and sec.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, exactly. So this pattern you have to remember this pattern. Any other? Anyone has doubt? Anyone? Any other doubts anyone has?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, in the test which you
Yeah? Not getting your voice? Yes, Shreya?
ma'am, am I
Yeah?
audible?
Yes?
1 plus tan square A plus
1 plus tan square A. Okay, fine. I will write it down. Yes.
okay, ma'am,
1 plus tan square A.
plus 1 by tan square A.
Hmm? Is this?
1 plus tan square A plus 1 in the brackets.
This is here. Where is the question? Is from this this question, this test?
Yes, ma'am. Adi Sharma, 53rd question.
1 plus tan square. 53rd question. This is sorry, from exercise.
Ma'am, 11.1, the first exercise.
First exercise. Okay, open. Fifty-third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. That one is okay. 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square A plus 1 by no 1 plus 1 by tan square A is equal to 1 by sin square A minus sin to the power 4A. Okay, right. So here, multiply inside. Directly you can multiply, or you can convert into sec value. Convert that also possible. So I will multiply, or I will find out this sec square A. This is tan square A plus 1 by tan square A. So now here it is sec square A again divided by tan square A is 1 plus sec. There is anything work out like this, or converting to sin and cos also.
Ma'am, it's 1 plus tan square A plus.
Hmm. One plus tan square A plus 1 plus. Okay. So there are many methods. If you add directly, that will be better instead of doing this one. Right. So it is 1 plus tan square A plus 1 plus 1 by tan square A. Is this the right one? 1 plus. Yeah, it's right. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus tan square A plus 1 by tan square A and then convert into sine and cos. Now sec square a plus sec square a by tan square a, take sec square a common. That will also can be done. Or well, let me check. It might be work out. Sine square a by cos square a plus 1 by tan is cot square. So it is cos square a by sine square a. 1 plus 1, 2 is common. Right? It is addition. 1 by sine square a by sine to the power 4. Minus, that will be done. But what about numerator? Yes, it can be done. Right. Now here it is. When you take LCM addition, it will come sine to the power 4a plus cos to the power 4a divided by sine square a into cos square a. Sine to the power 4a and cos to the power 4a we can write as a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So it is 2 plus sine square a plus cos square a whole square minus 2 sine square a cos square a divided by sine square a cos square a. This is equal to 1, 2 plus 1 minus 2 sine square a cos square a divided by sine square a into cos square a. Divide this fraction separately. So 2 plus 1 by sine square a cos square a minus 2. When you divide this, everything gets cancelled. So this 2 and this 2 cancel. 1 by sine square a into cos square a you got. You don't need cos square a, so convert cos square a as 1 minus sine square a. Sine square a into 1 minus sine square a and then multiply inside. 1 by sine square a minus sine to the power 4a. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now even that can be done. It is 1 plus tan square a you can write as sec square a plus 1 plus tan square by tan square, that is sec square a by tan square a, and then convert into sine and cos here also. At this stage also you can do that one instead of doing this too. So answer of this is sec square a plus sec square a by tan square a. So take sec square common into bracket 1 plus, same thing is happening here, 1 by tan square a, that is cot square a, convert into sine and cos. 1 by cos square a into 1 plus cot square, that is cos square a by sine square a. So here also can be done 1 by cos square a, here if you multiply inside, plus cos square get cancelled, 1 by sine square a. This is also easily done. So this is sine square a plus cos square a by cos square a into sine square a. Here itself you got the one answer, and denominator substitute 1 minus cos square a. That also can be done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Scroll down.
This is a bigger method. Don't use this one. This is much easier also. This is much easier. And even here also, if you do 1 plus tan square and here 1 plus cot square, so 1 plus cot square will become cosec square and this is sec square. Convert into sine and cos, immediately you will get this part. The third step itself, you will get this answer. That is much easier instead of this much bigger one. You can much do easier. That is, this is 1 plus tan square will become sec square a plus 1 plus cot square a. So 1 plus cot square will become cosec square a plus sec square a. So it will become 1 by cos square plus 1 by sine square. Directly you got the answer. This is again the third term only. Immediate answer you will get. So here only convert this way. First multiply, cross multiply, cos square value you write as 1 sine square into cos square. So convert cos square as 1 minus sine square. You'll get the immediate answer. No need to do this much bigger. This is much bigger. Don't do that. Longer step. Okay. Any other doubt? Any other doubts? Anyone else? Still? No doubts?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in addition. I'll just get them to. Ma'am, in the 11.1 exercise, and the 60 seconds.
60 seconds. Okay. Pn, just like AP part, it is similar to AP. Pn is equal to sine to the power n theta plus cos to the power n theta. So now T3 minus T5 by T1 is equal to T5 minus T7 by T3. So here this number means the exponents of n, or exponents of sine and cos. So what is T3 means here?
Sine cube theta
Sine
plus.
cube theta plus cos cube theta. So similarly 5 also, sine to the power 5 theta plus cos to the power 5 theta. Okay. So substitute these things first. T3 means sine cube theta plus cos cube theta minus T5 means sine to the power 5 theta minus cos to the power 5 theta. Because of minus sign, the middle one sign will change to minus. And T1 means sine theta plus cos theta. So now from these two, take sine cube common. What is left out? 1 minus sine square theta. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then cos cube theta take common. 1 minus cos square theta divided by sine theta plus cos theta. So now what is in the 1 minus sine square is
Cos square theta.
cos square theta plus cos cube theta into sine square theta divided by sine theta cos theta. Can we take anything common? Sine square theta into cos square theta we can take common.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is left out sine theta plus cos theta divided by sine theta plus cos theta. This is right?
Yes, ma'am.
This get cancelled. So what we left out with? Sine square into cos square. Is it right? It's clear till this part?
Yes, ma'am.
This exactly similar way, simplify RHS. T5 minus, sorry, T5 minus T7 by T3. Sine to the power 5 theta plus cos to the power 5 theta minus sine to the power 7 theta minus cos to the power 7 theta divided by sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. So take common from this and this. Sine to the power 5 theta is common. So it is 1 minus sine square theta plus cos to the power 5 theta 1 minus cos square theta divided by sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. Now this is sine to the power 5 theta into cos square theta plus cos to the power 5 theta into sine square theta divided by sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. Then it is common as
Sine to the sine square theta.
into cos square theta. Cos square already we have taken out. Sine to the power 5. From that sine 2 we have taken out. So what is left out?
Sine cube theta.
Sine cube theta, and from the other side it is cos cube theta. So divided by sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. So this and this get cancelled. So left with sine square theta into cos square theta. So RHS and LHS are equal.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, and the 82nd and the 83rd sum should we do?
No, no need. 82 no, 83 also not needed. I can explain you, but it is much more complicated. So I don't think so. It's needed for you people.
Scroll a little up. Like little up, I forgot one step, I guess. Okay, so now I can scroll down. Thank you, ma'am.
So here it is given cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So cos theta is equal to sine square theta. Now we have to simplify this LHS side. It is if you check these four terms and this term separately. Do you get something? Did you get anything there?
Sin theta common and 2 common in that.
Sine to the power 6 theta we can take common from these four, this 4 only. Sine to the power 6 theta is equal to sine to the power 6 theta plus 3 sine to the power 4 theta plus 3 sine to the power 2 theta plus 1. And here it is 2 common, sine to the power 4 theta plus sine square theta minus 1. But we have to prove it. Now, can we write sine square is equal to cos theta we have. So we will write here this sine to the power 6 theta we can write as sine square theta whole cube, sine square theta whole cube plus 3 sine square theta whole square plus 3 sine square theta plus 1 plus 2 sine square theta whole square plus sine square theta minus 1. So here it is cos theta whole cube into, this is, if you can write, cos cube theta plus 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta plus 1 plus 2 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 1. So what will get? This is the cube of cos theta plus 1 whole cube cos theta cos cube theta plus 2. And this one, is it possible to simplify?
0.
Cos square theta plus cos theta value, we have already 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this part is 0. Now this part, how to simplify this? Cos theta into cos theta plus 1 whole cube. Can we write like this? This is a cube into b cube. So it is equal to ab whole cube.
Yes.
So this is cos square theta plus cos theta whole cube. So cos square theta plus cos theta is, cos theta plus cos square theta answer is 1. 1 cube, which is 1. Proved. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You realize here itself when there are the two 3's are there. That means this is a cubic part. A plus b whole cube. Editor, no need to solve it.
How did you get cos cube theta over here, ma'am?
Sin square theta whole cube. Sin to the power 6 theta it was there outside.
Yes, ma'am, but like how do you get cos cube theta?
Cos theta whole cube is how to write? How to write cos theta whole cube?
Oh no, ma'am. Like I got it, ma'am. I didn't see this cos theta is equal to sin square theta. That's it.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubts? Any doubt you have? No doubts. Then polynomials. Quadratic polynomial. First linear polynomial, suppose. That's the graph part. Linear polynomial. General form is ax plus b. Number of zeros? How many number of zeros it has?
1.
1. Okay. Quadratic? Ax square plus bx plus c. And then number of zeros? Number of zeros are either 0, 1 or 2. So equal zeros are considered as one value. If the quadratic polynomial has two equal zeros, that is considered as a one number. So number of zeros are either 0 or 1 or 2. So it has at most two zeros. Okay. Then cubic, ax cube, yes,
At most 3 zeros.
at most three zeros, right. Number of zeros is equal to either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. So it has at most three zeros.
And
So
so
therefore, yes,
even in the linear polynomial also it can have zeros, right?
zero zeros is not possible in case of that because it is always intersect x-axis. Zeros, yes, if it is parallel to x-axis, then yes, zero zeros, right? 0 or 1. So if it is, the graph is like this. So it is not intersecting this. At that time, no zeros. So if any polynomial with degree n has how many zeros? At most n zeros. If it has a degree n, then it has n at most, so maximum n zeros. This is one statement. They have asked this question for the MCQ part. Degree polynomial with degree n has n zeros, at most n zeros, or at least n zeros. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Quadratic polynomial. In a graph and the intersections, number of zeros you can find out from the graph, right? Is it possible? I need to revise that part. Finding number of zeros from the graph.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have only one doubt over there, ma'am. If it's like B, ma'am, could you like just tell one equation so that I can?
Equation graph.
Yes, ma'am. In the normal, the standard form. Like if it's B of Y, so do we find the zero from Y axis?
It is x is equal to fx is given. Then you have to find out the intersection with x-axis.
Okay, ma'am.
Intersection with x-axis. And if x is equal to f of y is given, then intersection with y-axis you have to calculate.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Then quadratic polynomial. General form is ax square plus bx plus c. It has two zeros, alpha and beta. So alpha and beta are equal or they are not equal. So we are considering the condition when they had zeros. So both are equal or not equal, doesn't matter. It has two zeros. That is, one zero is considered as alpha, another zero is considered as beta. That means the one value of x, which we calculate by quadratic equation, we can calculate it. In the quadratic equation formula, you have not gone through. You have now gone through. So two values of x you are getting. So one value of x we have to consider as alpha. Another value of x we have to consider as beta. And now the relation between these zeros and the coefficients is, what are the relations between these coefficients and the zeros? Yes.
Alpha plus beta is equal to minus of B by A.
Alpha into beta is C by A.
Alpha into beta is C by A. That's right. So sum of the zeros is equal to minus B by A and the product of zeros is equal to C by A. This is important relation between them. And if you want to find out the if sum and product of zeros is given, are given, how to form the polynomial? How to form this?
K and in the bracket x square minus the sum of zeros and plus the product of zeros.
This is one method, or there is a one more method is there, the simple method I will tell you. If they have given sum as suppose 1 by 4 and the product is given minus 1 by 4. If it is given, we'll take 1 minus 1 by 2, fine. This is different values you will get. So sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta, and alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is equal to 1 by 4. And the product of zeros, that is alpha beta, which is c by a, is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here denominator is a, which is 4. Here denominator a, which is 2. Can we make this 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus b by a is equal to 1 by 4. And c by a is equal to minus 1 by 2. So can we make this denominator as 4?
Yes, ma'am.
By
Multiplying it by 2.
multiplying and dividing with 2. So this will become minus 2 by 4. Now in both the cases A value is same, so consider A as 4, both same value. We have to make it first denominator A value same and consider that is the value of A. And then, so it is equate this one. So what is the value of B? Minus B is equal to 1. So B is equal to minus 1. And what is the value of C?
-2.
-2.
2, right? So A, B, C value you got. You have the equation ax square plus bx plus c. Substitute these values there. 4x square minus x minus 2. But these are the ratios. So we have to take as k value. So therefore it is k. Are you able to understand this? This is the easier one. So no need to do any addition subtraction, or that LCM addition subtraction problem will not be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So the simple way, what we have to do is we have to make the fractions equal, denominator of the fractions equal. And then whatever the denominator is there, that is A value. So consider that as A. Then equate the numerators are B and C values. So separate it that, find out the A, B, C values and substitute in this formula. Is this clear? It's much easier.
Yes, ma'am.
This year only I also learned this. Okay, write it down then.
Ma'am, we can use any method.
Yes, any method you can use it.
Okay.
Done?
Please scroll down.
So here actually comes when we are equating these two fractions. So it will come as k here. This is k here and k here. That's the reason we have taken k out. Because these are the fractions, ratios. solve these questions? So here already denominators are same. These are the sum and product. They are not alpha and beta values. So always clear the question first. What is the question given? So these are the values of sum and product. So minus b by a is equal to minus 8 by 3. And product means c by a is equal to 4 by 3. So value of a is 3, b is 8, minus b is equal to minus 8. So b is equal to 8 and c is equal to 4. So equation is 3x square plus 8x plus 4. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Second one, here they are not equal. So make it equal. So what we'll do?
Multiply by 2.
Divide by 2.
2, 2. So that is 42 by 16. So now both are equal. C by A is equal to 5 by 16. So A is equal to 16K. B is equal to minus 42K. C is equal to 5K. So K into bracket 16x square minus 42x plus 5.
Ma'am, it should be plus 42x, right?
No, this is minus B. No, minus B is equal to 42.
Ma'am, in the polynomial,
Yes,
Yeah,
like,
A
should be.
square plus BX.
okay.
Ax square plus bx plus c.
So only when we use the sum and product, that time it becomes minus of alpha plus beta.
Yeah, in that product, if you are making it using this formula directly, so at that time in this formula you are using minus value.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Because already we have made this value negative. So again, why you are making negative? According to minus b, already you have made this value minus.
Yes, ma'am.
The third question, third equation.
Ma'am, is the second answer, third answer, x square plus 2 root 3 minus 9. X
Root
square plus,
x.
yeah, 2 root 3x minus 9.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, is
Yes,
the fourth answer k bracket 2 root 5 x square plus 3x minus root 5?
yes, right. Okay. Then you can leave. And I'm not giving any homework today, so you learn electricity properly. Oh yeah, but for Monday is there, no? So you solve first exercise till 14th question by Monday. 2.1 exercise RD. Solve
Ma'am, what are some?
2.1 till 14th.
Ma'am, can you explain the fourth one?
What happened fourth one? Minus B by A is equal to minus 3 by 2 root 5. And C by A is equal to minus 1 by 2. You need denominator same. So multiply with root 5, root 5. So A is equal to 2 root 5. B is equal to 3. Minus B is equal to minus 3. So B is equal to 3. And C is equal to minus root 5. So it is 2 root 5 x squared plus 3x minus root 5 k into. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 2.1 exercise till question number 14th by Monday, not tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.